Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website you can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you instantly in your cryptocurrency wallet, or as Express Crypto or Faucet pay. Any cryptocurrency you have, this website pay in this much cryptocurrency wallet orders. Okay, Coinbase, Express Crypto, Faucet pay, this all is available in here. Okay, the registration is very easy. The link in description. Come here, click the link and just click new account. Okay, just put your username, email, password, confirm password and solve the captcha. Okay, you can register easily. I have already account, so I log in my website to show you how you can earn from this website. Okay, there's a bicycle, no bicycle in here. Just I click reload parking methods and just I click it and just click verify. Just click login. Okay, right now I am logged, and the first way you can earn from here is a stock. Okay, you can buy a stock, invest your money, this much stocks buy and this much users available, yearly pay you this much percent, okay, of the buying stock. You can be members, anyone you want, add a stock, you can add it, and this is all about the stocks. Okay, if you don't want to invest in the stock, the next one is a free claim. Free claim is another way you can earn free cryptocurrency from here. Just wait 50 seconds after you click this one to show you advertisement, and just click it and you can continue your claim. Okay, just this one is one, just click it and just click this one. Okay, just choose your reward. Okay, how much you want to pay you to ALY. Okay, every 20 minutes I want to pay me 45. Okay, every 40 minutes. Okay, this is one of the best. Okay, you can choose it or you can choose this one. Okay, ALY is the best one. Okay, this is GALY. Okay, just claim this one. Just solve the captcha. Okay, you can change your captcha, any captcha you want. Just come down and just click the get Faucet reward. Okay, you earn this much. After 40 minutes you can come back and claim your free cryptocurrency from here. The next step is watching ads. Okay, view ads is another way. This will be show you offer walls advertisement, because this website didn't have ads for right now. About that, you can choose your advertisement. You can watch every advertisement you watch, this much pay you, and you can change it, the advertisement, and you can watch all of the advertisement available in this website. Okay, this is a survey, another best way you can accept it, and you can survey and complete the survey and you can earn your survey earning. The next one is a game. Okay, you can play a game. Okay, you know about the game, but I tell you one thing about this game: don't waste your money in the game. Okay, don't waste it, because the game didn't pay you anything. Okay, and just be sure you earn with your own. Don't invest any your money to your game. Okay, this all game, this is all those people losing their monies, but they didn't find anything. This all money is just you waste your money. Okay, okay, the next step to you can earn much more cryptocurrency is short links. Okay, the short links pay you much more, and this is all left. Okay, pay you 2 times. Okay, you can earn this much, and this is the left time. Okay, 150 you can earn from here. Okay, 40 from here, 30, 11. This is all this website pay you, and the last one is the much more pay you. Okay, 2, and this 90 time you can claim from here. 3 times, 6 times, 2 times, 10 times, and this is all. If you watch all the short links, you can earn much more cryptocurrency in here. Okay, the next step is a bonus. You can just claim our short links. You can participate in the bonus. This is available. This person claimed today this much short links. Okay, if you claim much more than this much short links, you will be the first one of in here. Okay, and you can earn this much bonus. Okay, this is all available in here every day. This is a contest. The next one is the offer walls. I show you again. I show you in the past. And the next one is the O2 Faucet. The O2 Faucet is one of the best, but O2 Faucet pay you an Express Crypto. But you know the Express Crypto, I share with you this wallet address and in the past videos, and I received this much DigiByte to my Faucet Pay from here. This is the withdrawal I got, and this much balance I have. This is all cryptocurrency available in here. Okay, this all cryptocurrency are available in here. Okay, if you have Faucet Pay account, if you have Express Crypto account too, you can copy this unique ID. Okay, copy it, come here in this one, complete it down, or you can click this one, go to edit profile, all wallets. I go to wallets. Okay, come here, you can put your Express Crypto wallet in here. Just click it, paste your Express Crypto wallet in here, just click save. Okay, and that's it. You can claim your free cryptocurrency. Okay, now I'm going to O2 Faucet, back, going to setting. Okay, reload the page and just click O2 Crypto, Express Crypto. You can choose your cryptocurrency. Okay, if you want, you just earn this one. Okay, 1 minute this much Satoshi, get this much. Okay, and just I click this one, and this is the free. Okay, you can choose the free one. I just click this one, and this will be automatically pay every 60 seconds into your Express Crypto wallet address, and this is the one of the best. You can earn your from here much more cryptocurrency, and just automatically this will be sent you to your wallet address. Okay, and this website link available in description. Just I wait to first one to send me. Okay, one and reload. You can see the payment sent. Okay, just I come to my Express Crypto, reload the page and come down, and you can see this is the amount to send me from this website, and this much EXS. Okay, and this website pay you instantly, just O2 one. Okay, you claim daily and just click the O2 one, and this will be automatically sent to your Express Crypto wallet address. Okay, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Okay, bye bye for now.